and welcome to another crazy episode of Auto Alley. We are running, as usual.
We're not running, we're driving.
We're running.
LMAO.
Like crazy people. Jess, you want to tell them what we're doing?
We're currently going to go
To the minis.
For the minis.
Yay. And then after that, I have to work on a friend's car and get a wheel bearing done. And I have to do work in the garage.
And then we get to go to Walmart and get ready for our cat tomorrow.
We may have another little surprise in store. Maybe. All depends on time.
Oh yeah.
Either way, hang on for the ride. It is stinking hot. Like 92 degrees or better. Hello, Morris. Hello, Poe. Getting your fan going, Papa?
And the ground coal got fried.
Oh, that's good. There it goes. And we got more parts. More rear brake parts, so we can get rear drums put together. But first I gotta put a cam sensor in the Mountaineer. 1 minute. Old sensor is out. Yeah, it's definitely shot. New sensor is gonna go in that hole right there. So we're gonna watch and we're just gonna go. That worked. Now I run the wire down here. Plug that pig back in. And this will go in here, that connects that. Now the reservoir needs to be readjusted and placed back up where it belongs. So give me a second. Would you look at that? All buttoned back up. New sensor installed. You can see it down there. Get the old sensor. Okay. See if that gets rid of this stupid miss/hesitation. Yeah. I hear a cylinder. Don't know which one. Get her on a straightaway here. See? Definitely got a misfire. See if it reads it. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with. MIL status off, but it's showing codes of 1. No. Read. No pending codes. Stored codes. Enter. This does, oh, I forgot about that. This doesn't show Mercury, but if you have a Mercury Mountaineer, it is the same as a Ford Explorer. Okay, so that is the code I had. Code 1309. Misfire. Hardware component misaligned noise, etc. chip. That is what I had before. So, I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Erase codes. Yes. Yes. I'm going to keep it continue. Read codes. Okay. Now, we're going to start it up. Codes found 0. And showing no codes. So now we're going to have to do, now that it's running better but not right, is we're going to have to find out what cylinder is dead. And it's completely apparent that it's a completely dead cylinder. So one of these coil packs has crapped the bed. And we have to find out which one for proper replacement. Just gonna have to drive it and find out, because the other option is to change every single coil pack out, and I'm not buying 8 coil packs in hopes of fixing it. I'm going to try maybe doing a coil pack swap, so I'll have it driven tonight, and then what I'll do is I'll put one coil pack, will stay in cylinder 8. Drive it, see what it does. If that doesn't fix it, then we can move the next coil pack up and move it around. And that way, when we pull the one dead cylinder, we'll know we got progress. I'll probably end up replacing the plugs too, because usually if you have a dead plug or a dead coil pack, it usually just burns out the plug. So, we'll play around with that, but we got more MG stuff to play with, so, you know, these dailies, like, we really care about them. Either way, guys, we're going to head into the garage, maybe take her with the MGA, because it's like 90 plus, and that's not conducive of a good day for me. So we straighten up this bottom panel, as ridiculously bad as they get.
Different videos to go by.
Yeah.
And that.
And that's exactly it. Like, the problem is,
And they don't show you shit in that book.
in Mustang, it's pretty much self-explanatory. In MG, it could go any which way. And then none of them are right. It's just insane. But yeah, we definitely have to reline this. These bullets, I don't remember seeing anything in the engine compartment.
This book here doesn't tell you shit.
Oh, it doesn't tell you anything for engine?
Nothing for brakes.
And this is for the clutch? So I'm assuming it goes here?
Right. It goes across to here.
Okay.
And the line comes
Hard line.
up.
Goes up. Okay.
To which I found the clutch line today.
which it needs replaced. Put this back down. Let me see where those harnesses go. You got it? That's a lot of bullets. I don't remember there being that many bullets in the engine compartment.
Doesn't move that fast.
Wow.
Not much weight on it.
That's what I was going to say. There's not a lot of car to move. So where in that wiring harness are all those bullets going? Aha, okay, right here. Wow. This is why Lucas Electric is ridiculously crappy. Those are your plugs. And they all attach to... Goodness. All of this. Standard bullets, but it's a guessing game which one goes to which. This is some scary, scary electrical. People, let's be honest. That is our fuse box for the entire car. 2 fuses. For the whole car. And I believe, if I remember correctly, if you lose the tail lights, the car quits running. I do believe that's what it was. It's come in and see what Papa got going on. Yes, but that's another step closer because we're gonna have brakes on that side. Now, figure out this one. Hold the backing plates on. This is where the locking springs go for the brake pads. And you have that little let's see. Where'd that brake adjuster go, Pop? You just had it here. Oh, okay. There it is. So this is the brake adjuster. You see it locks on that little ratchet down there. And this will actually go, I believe, on this side. Locks in there, and then that threads and locks the brake pads for the adjustment. And what a pain in the ass they are, huh, Pop? Right. 2 springs hold the brakes in. 2 springs hold them together, and then those are what actually holds them to the backing plate. Alright, clips that side in. And that one will lock there. The other one comes in behind. It's another pain in the ass. go. Yep, and then that slides up and down. And then we just have to put the adjuster in there. Over here. Yep. Brake tools. Okay. Make sure this is in the slowest. Oh, we didn't do too bad. It just has to lock up. Oh, okay. You got it. Your pin is off. Pliers or something? You got it? And that's why you're the papa. This car is so short. I started to get the wiring going. I get the wiring in its right spot. It just needs bolted down once we have the final nuts in here. Our pull to start is all set up. You can see Papa's got cables running. I got the generator wired up. So we're getting down to the end of the engine compartment. Got to put a couple clamps on. You got all the brakes done. So all we got to do is finalize the hose or the brake lines, make sure they're all tight, and fill up the master cylinder. Good bit of work the last 3 days. Okay, another thing we can show you is whenever you guys saw me restoring this, I left the grease on it because I was working around here. But that's all the original tags, and you can see, once we wipe the grease off, it leaves all the original markings. It's going to look pretty awesome. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Lots of work, lots of progress. It's kind of been a Papa show right now because I had a lot of work going on. We got some interesting stuff going on this weekend. Monday I'm going to be working like a mad person, and then Tuesday we start the next realm of our fun. I got a little surprise coming up, and those of you that have followed my channel from the beginning or who have gone back to the beginning, you're going to know that my favorite hobby / side job is coming back up. So stay tuned. For now, tonight we're done with the MG. Hopefully tomorrow I can get more work done outside the garage. Hopefully it's not too hot. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the other fun stuff. Just help support the channel, help me build it and grow it, and if I get it growing big enough and I can start, you know, investing more money into it, then we can start building bigger and better projects. And I see a few right back there who are just itching to be on camera. As always, we'll see you on the flip side.